Guys, it's me, Taylin. We're back here again down at Lafayette, aka my old school. And we're gonna film some units today. So, yeah. Right here we have a Frigidaire 15,000 BTU air conditioner. This is the unit itself. It's AHAM certified. Has a highly rotary in there, along with these mounting brackets. Can't get the inside, sadly. It's dirty. It's very filthy inside of here. So, yeah, here's the back. Uses a grill guard, of course. And my scooter is right there. So now we're gonna go down here, because there's another unit over here as well, along with a couple more on top of. Right here we have a 03 Frigidaire, 8,000 BTU air conditioner. Sorry about the noise, it's this. This unit is 8,000 BTUs. Looks like a 10,000, but it's actually 8. There's this side. It's got a LG. I think that's an LG rotary. Yeah, I think it's a rotary. It's an LG. I don't know what it is. But yeah, this is the unit. Of course, it's gonna have the typical bottoms. Here's the typical bottom of it. This actually comes off. This is the drain hole. Compressors there. That back ain't looking too good, and this is the logo. So, yeah. There's more units. I'm gonna have to get on my scooter again, which is right there. I just had to get off to film those units. Let's pick her up. Oh, God. Let me shake her off. I'm gonna have to ride it with one hand because I have to hold my phone with the other because I don't have my iPad right now. I don't feel like taking it, and I don't feel like going back to get it because we're not even gonna need it. I just want to do this without getting caught, so yeah. Well, actually, it's fine if I get caught. I'm not a member, but I still like this place. It's like my favorite place to be. And over here we still have the Quiet Masters. We have a Friedrich Quiet Master. I think it's a 36,000 BTU. And then there's another one there. I don't know what type of, that's a Friedrich Quiet Master. I don't know what that right there is. Probably a Fetters, another Friedrich Quiet Master. It's just a bunch of Friedrich Quiet Masters. And then there's some down there, so yeah, that is my old school's air conditioner. So yeah, I will see. Oh wait, there's a couple more I forgot to film. Like a couple more I forgot to film. Alright, then we're just gonna go back. There's a couple. Sorry. There's a couple more Quiet Masters up there. Like right about there. There's 2 of them. So, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the house. And yes, I will record me going down there. I've never recorded myself ride before. But I'm trying it out for the first time. So, we're going. This is my adventure. This is what you see from being held on the scooter. Sorry, I have like multiple electronics like iPads and crap like that. We're almost there. God, this is so tired. Yeah, we're almost there. Oh my goodness. Yep, we're almost there. You don't need to see where I'm going, but yeah, you don't need to see where I'm going. So we're there. Alright, we're here. This driveway. Whew. Okay. we are officially here. So now I am going to end the video. So yeah, I will see you guys later.